The Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray yesterday stopped short of enforcing a complete lockdown but announced some tough restrictions for the next 15 days that will permit only essential activities in the state. Starting today at 8 p.m, Section 144 or prohibitory orders will be imposed across the state of Maharashtra and only essential travels and services will be allowed. The new measures come at a time when Maharashtra is reporting over 60,000 cases in the last 24 hours. Uddhav Thackeray has also requested the military's help in tackling oxygen and medicine shortage in the state.
कडक पावलं उचलण्याची आवश्यकता आणि ती वेळ तो क्षण आलेला आहे. मग काय करायचं? मी एकदम काही लॉकडाऊन असं म्हणत नाहीये, पण काही निर्बंध हे साधारणतः त्या सदृश्य आहेत. कारण ही साखळी जर का तुटली नाही तर ही साखळी आपल्याला पूर्ण गुरफटून गुंबरून टाकल्याशिवाय राहणार नाही. आपल्याला रोजीरोटी महत्त्वाची आहेच, त्याहीबद्दल मी बोलणार आहे. पण रोजीरोटीच्या बरोबरीने आधी जीव वाचवायला पाहिजे. जीव वाचलं तर सगळं काही आहे आणि जीव वाचवणं हाच आता आपल्यासमोरचा महत्त्वाचा मुद्दा आहे. आणि तो वाचवण्यासाठी मी पुन्हा एकदा सगळ्यांना हात जोडून विनंती करतो आहे की आजपर्यंत जी काही निर्बंध आपण टाकलेले होते त्या निर्बंधात आता आपण अधिक वाढ करतो आहोत आणि हे निर्बंध उद्या 8 वाजल्यापासून संध्याकाळी 8 वाजल्यापासून आपल्या राज्यात लागू होतील. आणि त्याच्यासाठी मी माननीय पंतप्रधानांना काही विनंत्या करतो आहे. त्या बाकीच्या तर मी आपल्याकडे सांगतोच, पण एक विनंती मी त्यांना करतो आहे ज्याच्याबद्दल मी अधिकृत पत्र पण लिहितोय की ही रस्त्याने आता ऑक्सिजन आणेपर्यंत आमच्याकडे फार विचित्र परिस्थिती निर्माण झालेली आहे. मला कल्पना नाही असं करता येणं शक्य आहे का. असेल तर आपल्याला लष्करी तज्ञांची मदत घेऊन जर हवाई वाहतुकीने आमच्याकडे ऑक्सिजन आणू शकलो आपण आणि आणू शकत असू तर कृपा करून आम्हाला नुसती परवानगी नाही तर एअरफोर्सला सांगून आम्हाला मदत करायचे तसे आदेश द्या.
Well, several key announcements in the Chief Minister's, long sort of address to the state where he actually mentions what all is going to be shut. The most important announcement perhaps is that Section 144, which is a prohibitory order which bans the gathering of people without a valid reason, is now in force across the state, at least comes into force from 8 p.m. on Wednesday. And this will of course happen by then. The cabinet meeting also would have taken place. But all these restrictions have been announced. The Chief Minister also announcing that the Shiv Bhojan Thali will be available free of cost so that those who may not have the wherewithal to buy food could avail of the Shiv Bhojan Thali, which is available free of cost. Several other initiatives, payments to labor who are registered, and also the roadside stalls of Mumbai, those have been allowed to stay open because a lot of people depend on those stalls also for food. So all of that is there. In fact, that is going to continue, and several other things as well. Public transport is going to continue, but there will be of course severe restrictions that will also come in. You cannot move around without a valid reason, and exemptions which are there, those also are of course there in writing in that order. And medicine shops, grocery shops, all of those things which are essential services, banks, financial institutions, data centers, all of those will of course have to continue working. But all in all, it's different from last year's lockdown. Several things that had hit people really hard, those things seem to have been addressed. But of course, once it comes into force from 8 p.m. on Wednesday, one will see the full impact on Thursday. So obviously all of these things will be enforced, but clearly lockdown-like restrictions, but not a full lockdown. The break the chain is what the effort is, because Mumbai really and Maharashtra really is running out of facilities to treat COVID-19 patients in the second wave, which has hit the state hard. The state is of course ramping up capacity of beds. There's an oxygen shortage, several other drugs shortage. So all of those things are being addressed. In the meanwhile, the government hopes that these 15 days of less activity, which means less interactions, which means less spread of COVID-19, will help them ramp up the capacity that they need. And these restrictions will come into force from Wednesday 8 p.m. and they will continue for 15 days.